Mr. and Mrs. H. We're here at the, good afternoon pala. We're here at the Villa Calamang. And as you can see right now, they're almost done with the stairs. But it's just on hold right now because of our issue in the municipality of the world. And this is the drainage for the pool. And not really drainage totally, but the design with the rock. With the rock. And then that's the and then sorry Ay, sorry po. Tapos natuluan na tayo ng semento. Let's go here. Ayan, this side, as you can see, almost done right there, and that is level through here. And then on this side, let's check. Ay, hindi tayo kasha. I'm so sexy. Sarap. This is the one I told you. This one, Warren told me that they were gonna put the one that the 7,000 chandelier, and that one, just think about it, what you wanna put there. And then on the dirty kitchen, they already put this ceiling, and then the light materials wall is here already. And on this, on that side, they were gonna put a gate. So whenever who's cooking here, it's just the area is just rotating only, and it's not kulob. Kung ano bahala sa English ang kulob. And this is the layout for the glass. They were gonna put on the stairs. So this is just only layout, and then after that, they were gonna cook the the glass. And then let's go up here. On this side is, I think nothing changed right here for now. Still the same. Oh, it has some changes. Let's turn on the light. And then this is the, wow, uy, quality oh. Nice oh. Hindi pa siya naka-fix. Nice. And then they're just gonna put a design like this here. And there, and there, and everywhere. That is the ball. And this is the wire for the vanity mirror. Mirror. And then, let's go here. Changes here is nothing. And then here is nothing. And then here, nothing. Ayan. Now we're here at the second floor, and Kuya is doing this. Ayan. Finish yung ayan. Ano ba tawag yung post? Ayan. That is the wall. And then, na siya, super, from the outside view, it's gonna be a super private villa. So, the people outside will not gonna see what's inside the look. So, the outside, they're just gonna see the peak of the house only, not the whole design of the villa. And guys, look at this. The green roof going there up to that wall. This lot is for sale. Later at night, I'm gonna talk to the owner. If they were gonna agree to the 2M, 1.9 to 2 million, we can put the access door right here or at the back of the dirty kitchen. So ayan, that will be the parking if they're gonna agree to the 1.9 or 2M. Ayan. And then right here, okay, let's check here. Oh, that will be the door for this cabinet. And they already put this, I think this is the top, but not yet fixed. And that, as you can see, You can go in there doing something. That's the door for the cabinet inside of the. Ayan. And we're going to put now the vanity mirror. That one. Yeah. So they're just using that kind of measuring something to level the mirror. And this one, tomorrow, they were gonna deliver some of the bed frame. And tomorrow they were gonna fix this because it's kind of shaky. And I can shake the bed and then move it to the other side a little bit so that we can use the socket right there. Ayan. They're doing right now. Yes, ayan. Diba? And then on this side pala, ang dami nito sa medyas. Panalo. Ay, hindi pala makita. May trapal. I thought you can see the top view of the drainage of the pool. But there's a cover. So, ayan. Tomorrow and on Friday, I think we're gonna finish the balcony glass. And can put the stainless handle. And then on this side, they are on that side. They are now digging for the septic tank and changing the drainage to that one. So the septic tank will gonna be bigger for us. And this one, we were going to order the stones for the sides of it. Same with the shower area, that area. Marley told me they were gonna put 260 by 60 tiles, and then the surroundings of the tiles is the stone. So I don't know how many sack at that, and I don't know how much is the price. I'm just gonna call the supplier of the stones. Ayan. And then, ano pa ba? Kasi I'll just gonna take a video na lang after they install the vanity mirror.